So, what's up, you? Oh, that's a bit too bright. So, what's crack-a-lack-a-lacking, guys? So, I am just down here because I am crafting today, as I said. I'm actually making stickers for my niece's birthday party that's coming. But the first lot didn't work out, so I'm trying it again. Hopefully this lot will work out. But I wanted to show you guys as well. So, as earlier I showed you, we went to the shops. Oh, zoomed in way too far then. Let me see. Hang on. Okay. There we go, now it's better. So if you can hear the machine going off, it's just my cricket. But I got myself a Kinder Bueno advent calendar this year. I've actually got 2 advent calendars. I've got that one and then a jewelry one upstairs. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just basically doing some bits from it. Oh, I'll keep zooming in. For my niece's birthday, because it's her first birthday party soon. So yeah, so I'm making stickers. I've got to make a banner and confetti, and I've got my little companion over there as well. And I've also got a pair of headphones, but I put a fox on them. Kind of cool. Cool. So yeah, so I'm just making stickers at the moment. And then, like I said, I've got the 2 banners. She wants one for inside and one for outside, and then I've got to do confetti. So yeah, quite a bit to do. And I might try and make my own wrapping paper, because apparently you can with the cricket, and I still need to wrap my niece's birthday present up, and I'm gonna make her a card as well. So yes, that is the dealio. But I felt like a vlogging because I wanted a bit of a break from the sit down videos, because I think I've done like 2 or 3 sit down videos. So, but I have decided that I'm gonna do vlogmas. So yay. The only thing is though, the second I might not vlog because something exciting's happening on the second, but I'm not going to say too much about it because I don't want to just yet, because I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, but I'm looking forward to that anyway. Should be fun. But yeah, I'll let you know how these stickers work out if they come out, hopefully. But yeah, my little companion's over there. He's been a bit of a pain, ain't you, Tobe? Oi, Tobe, you've been a bit of a pain, ain't you? But we got to take him out a bit later, so we will do that. Oh yeah, I got this new coat from Primark the other day. Was in the men's section. Was meant to be like £27, but we got it for 17, which was a bargain because I was after a new coat. So yeah. Oh, I got that one. But yeah, I'm just doing some crafting and yeah. So what's up with you guys, and welcome back to the channel, or hi, welcome if you're new. So I am doing a vlog style video today for you all. I got to put my dentures back in. But we went to the shops earlier, didn't really get much. Got myself Greggs for lunch because why not. But I've got I've got to do some crafty work. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, and I will show you my advent calendar for this year that I got. And so yeah, so let's get started with what you got. So what's up, you guys? So I've decided to do a weekly vlog instead of a daily vlog, because why not? I'm just out walking the dog at the moment again, but doing it a bit earlier than normal, because yay. So there's the little doggy, Toby. I've got my headphones in, listening to music and walking the dog. So, yay. I'm already cream crackered as well, because we had to move a load of boxes, which weren't fun. So, are you gonna focus? So, what's up, you guys? So, as you can tell, I am back home. Let me just take them off for a sec. So, I had dinner. I had a lovely lasagna, which was delish. So now I am up in my bedroom, munching on barbecue Texas Pringles and watching some YouTube. I might put a film on, I don't know yet, but I'm watching Family Freedom at the moment, so yay. And then I'm gonna edit this vlog so it'll be up for tomorrow. So I am gonna do it now, where I post every Monday and every Wednesday. So Monday you're gonna get the vlogs, and then on Wednesday you're gonna get like the other videos. So because that's what works best. But more and I've decided that I am doing Vlogmas this year, like I said earlier, and it is going to be proper Vlogmas, not like weekly vlog. So get ready for a load of content heading your way for the Xmas period. I've got exciting video coming up next after this one, which you guys don't want to miss, and then I think it's gonna be the start of Vlogmas. So yeah, and we're gonna open my advent calendars together. So, but that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in the life. So yes, and I will see you guys real soon in the next video. So until then, tra-la-la, tra-la-la.